Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to go through an overview of the University of Sydney Medical School. And make sure to stick to the end to see all the key details you need to know. I'm Melvin from MedicMind, a second year medical student from Monash University. And if you're interested in medicine and getting into medical school, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the MedicMind YouTube channel. Since 2020, the University of Sydney has adopted a new Doctor of Medicine program involving a mixture of teaching styles and methods. Their innovative curriculum uses small group, team-based learning and integrated theory with practice. Moreover, on placements, students will access teaching opportunities in both rural and international settings. Medical graduates from the University of Sydney are highly regarded for their clinical experience. The course facilitates this with extensive clinical contact and teaching. This begins in the second week of study. The course produces graduates with skills and knowledge to treat patients facing today's health challenges. In their fourth year, students polish their skills needed to solve problems and improve the lives of individuals and communities. The fourth, pre-internship year, involves hospital-based placements, preparing students for postgraduate work and training. Students are not only taught and educated to become doctors, but a degree from the University of Sydney allows graduates to progress in their careers in public health and research. The third year of study involves a 14-week research program where students get the opportunity to work alongside leading researchers in a variety of institutes. The curriculum is based around and guided by national and international priorities, including basic and clinical science, clinical skills, diagnosis and therapy, research, evidence and information, interprofessional teamwork, Indigenous health, ethics, law and professionalism, and population and global health. Let's talk about the Sydney Medical Program structure. The university aspires to train medical graduates with a diverse skill set and knowledge required by the doctors of today. Each year of study focuses on one key development area, and each academic year builds on the knowledge gained from the previous year. The clinical teaching begins in year one, the foundation year of the degree. Students in their first year will spend 1 day learning in clinical schools, 3 days learning on campus, and 1 day flexibly learning. This course takes a system-based approach. By second year, students spend 3 days a week in clinical schools and 1 day gaining experience in the community. Students can gain deeper knowledge of clinical science and research methods. By year 3, half of the students' time is spent on specialty rotations. Let's talk about being prepared to study at the University of Sydney. The university are committed to ensuring all students selected are necessarily prepared for the degree. Prior to study, students will be asked to complete foundational knowledge online units. This can be reassuring for students as they know that they have the required level of knowledge in the biomedical sciences. Moving on now to the personalisation of the degree. The course aims to enable students to develop further expertise in the fields of their interest. The diversity in clinical placement opportunities across New South Wales allows students to work in hospitals such as Lismore Bays Hospital, Royal North Shore Hospital, and Westmead Hospital. Students can complete electives in locations that they want to live in the future. This may be local, rural, or international. Students complete a major research program beginning in the year 3. Moving on now to admissions. Places are offered to students based upon rankings on admissions tests. So what are the University of Sydney Medical School acceptance rates? The acceptance rates at the University of Sydney Medical School is 30%. This means that out of 100 applicants, only 30 applicants are accepted. What are the University of Sydney Medical School requirements? The University of Sydney Medical School requirements include a satisfactory performance in an eligible bachelor's degree at the time of application, as indicated by a grade point average or GPA, and satisfactory performance in the GAMSAT admissions test. International applicants must also submit valid GAMSAT or Medical College Admissions Test MCAT results with their application. International applicants must submit valid GAMSAT or Medical College Admissions Test results with their application. What are the University of Sydney Medical School fees? The University of Sydney school fees are $11,401. The SCA is for 48 credit points in year 1 of full-time study. How many international students study at the University of Sydney Medical School? In total, there are over 2,000 students at the University of Sydney Medical School, of which around 16% are international students. What is a ranking of the University of Sydney Medical School? According to the QS Top Universities ranking of 2022, The University of Sydney Medical School is the best in Australia. According to the QS Top Universities Rankings by Subject 2022, the institution is ranked number 18 in the world for medicine. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you learned a thing or two about the University of Sydney Medical School. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Make sure to like the video and share this with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the Medic Mind YouTube channel to never miss a video.